Unveiling the Majesty of the Dire Wolf, Carnivorous Icon of the Pleistocene Epoch, the dire wolf, a prehistoric carnivore of the Pleistocene, exhibited a stout physique and impressive bite force. Roaming North and South America, it likely hunted in packs and faced challenges during the Ice Age. Its fascinating skeletal remains provide insight into the ancient landscapes it once ruled. Ready to dive into a world of knowledge and inspiration? Hit that subscribe button and join our community of curious minds.